Hello friends, my name is Varaprasad and I'm going to discuss about the blocks in a practical way. So in the last section, I going to discuss about the introduction about the blocks. So if you have any doubts now, please refer that tutorial, friends. But today I'm going to discuss about how we are going to do blocks. Okay, so let's start that. So I'll open AutoCAD here. So I'll do this. I'll open this AutoCAD. So listen friends, listen carefully, this is very important, friends. So if you are going for any interview now, they'll compulsory asking you what is the meaning of the block. So today's section is going to discuss about the only block, and the next section is going to discuss about the dynamic block to you. Okay friends, so we'll start that class to you. Okay, see friend, I'm going to draw something, so and I convert that thing as block. Okay, so I'll do that. So I take a line now. Okay, so I draw a line like this. So we have a fate and 1.2 I'm taken that, and here also I need to take 1.2 and escape it here, and O enter, friends. So that we already know that O means is offset, and 0.1 offset is taken, and this side 0.1 and this side 0.1, and after that we need to take that arc command here. So arc to showing the direction of the door, how it's going to do open. So I can place the door like this. Now you can see, friends, I don't want this line, so we are selecting this and I'm deleting it. TR double enter, I just mention it, trim this. Yeah, done. Now what happens, friends? Now door is created, but what I want to do is I want to be converted as a block. So then how we do that? That's very simple, friends. B enter. B for the block, friend. So now we need to write the block name here. So the block name is door 1. So and after that base point. What is the necessity of to define the base point? Because of the reason is when we are inserting that same block, that which point we are going to take, that is reason we are specify the one base point over here. So that's why we have to click on the pick point here, and I just pick it from this point, and after that automatically it takes the coordinate value, and after that so select objects, and which object I wants to be converted as a block. So that's why I'm selecting this object. I click in that object and I'm selecting that, enter, and after that we just click on OK here. So no problem at all, friends. We are going for behavior also will there now, but here we seen that allow to explode. It means when I wants to be explode this object now, so it would convert it as a paths. Means let's say now, so if you are creating the block now, it treat like a one object, already I told you. But when you are using the allow exploding, it means what, friend? If I'm exploding that object, it's converted as a objects, right? So we have the 4 objects we selected, they're showing it to you, but these 4 objects are at like a one object, but when you are exploding it here, so that one object is converted as 4 objects. That is the thing is here, and click on OK, friends. I don't want to be disturb anything over here, friends, and I'll going to discuss on the next things to you. So I just click on OK here. Now my block is created with the name of the door 1. Click on OK. Now what happens, friends? The block is created over here. Now I want to be insert that block into my plan. So then how we do that? I have the command that is called I enter. I means is insert, and which one is I wants to be insert? Door 1. I just click on OK and click it here, and I'm using same again. So I'm using press enter 2 times, then we are repeating the last command. So that's why, so we are entering it. So yeah, see, friend, the same block I'm using 5 times over here, but when you are going to the door 1 block and we may something changes, and all the other things is also getting changed. So that I'll see, that I'll be explained to you. Now you wants to be edit your block now, so we are using it BE means block editor. I just click on enter. Now what happens, friends? Block editor is open, so I'm using this block I wants to be edit now. Just click on OK there. Now block editor is getting open, and we can make the changes over here. So I'm mentioning it as what, friends, is the text over here. So we are using it empty command. So I drag a section like this. Okay, now let's see here, friends. Yeah, though I can say like that, D1, I say like this. I can click on an outside, and we can click on the close block editor, or otherwise we can use B close command also. B close command also we can use it, or otherwise we can use block editor. Now it's asking that do you want to be saved? Yes, save the changes. Now what happens, you can see, friends, and every object means every block object will getting updated with the name of door1. That is meaning of the block, friends. Okay, and that's all for the today's section now. So and tomorrow I'll be explaining about the dynamic block to you. Okay, friends, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.